Girl, you like is right here with me. Right here with me. Right here with me.
Welcome beauties, it's Jamilah Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a wash day. So I want to take you guys through a step-by-step process of how I wash my hair. I do have 3B textured curly hair. So it's kind of loose but coily at the same time. But I want to take you through my wash day, show you what products I'm using. I am doing this video featuring some products by a company called MIELLE. I'm going to be showing you the products throughout the video so you can kind of take a look. See, it's super cute packaging. This time around I did let my hair air dry with the conditioner left in, and I find that I get the best results that way. So anyways guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what products you enjoy using, if this video was helpful. If you like more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with new posts that I have coming for you every week.
So I just wanted to show you my hair just dry, and I'm shaking it out. I wanted to really just take this time to show you the texture, show you my hair, and now I'm just going to give it a rinse and make sure it's damp before I put product in it. Okay guys, so now I'm just going in with the ISOPLUS Neutralizing Shampoo and Conditioner. It's pretty cheap and I like it because it's good with getting your scalp nice and clean before you start putting products in there. And so for girls that like to cleanse their scalp with a pre-poo or a co-wash, this is a nice alternative. So definitely check it out. Alright, so now that I've rinsed out my neutralizing shampoo, I'm using the MIELLE Pre-Poo treatment. It's like another neutralizing shampoo. It smells so good, but I'm pretty much working my scalp front and back, and then I'm going to rinse and go in with the shampoo. And now with the exfoliating shampoo by MIELLE, I'm just working from root to end, lathering up my hair in the shampoo. We are done with the rinse. Now we're just gonna go ahead and start with our conditioner. Okay, so I'm going in with the Curl Perfecting Conditioner by Pantene. It's probably top 2 favorites. Number 1 would be the Pantene Dual Moisture Conditioner. It's amazing and it adds so much moisture along with this one I'm using now, but this one right now just helps with detangling my hair, and also still adding that shine and making my hair really smooth and easy to work with when it comes to detangling. Right now I'm just finger detangling, but I'm also gonna go in with the comb to do the rest of the job. So now we're using the Hydrating Cream Conditioner by MIELLE. I love this conditioner, okay? I like to use it towards the end of my wash routine because it really gives my hair a nice shine and luster, and it keeps my curls intact. So you'll see me throughout this video finger coiling my hair, finger coiling like little small sections to really show like towards the end how much of a difference leaving this product in my hair does for me. It leaves my curls poppin', okay? This is probably my favorite thing to do towards the end of the shower because I know when my hair air dries, my curls are going to be beautiful. So I love this MIELLE Hydrating Cream Conditioner for that fact.